What's up, everyone? We're in Belize today, and there we go. Just up here in Lido. We've been cruising for 10 years, and I don't know how many cruises we've been on, but it's been a lot. We're platinum. And this old gal right here that I'm married to loves Mexican food. Unfortunately, she's married to me, and I don't like Mexican fish, so anyway, I've been telling her all this time, try the blue iguana, try the blue iguana. I mean, go get it, order it how you want to, what have you, I don't know. I don't do it. Finally, after 10 years of cruising, she finally got blue iguana. How you like it?
You can make it better.
You can make it better? Okay. But is there something that you may tell them next time to do?
Okay, so you can either have wheat or jalapeno. You don't get like the tortillas that I'm used to eating.
Okay.
So I probably could have added some cheese. That might have helped.
Mm-hmm. Just telling us. I mean, there's like a little bar over there where you can add stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know how that stuff works. So we're out here just doing a bunch of nothing today, drinking some tea and killing some time. Waiting for dinner. All right, we're gonna play some games here. Where we're going. Let's play the first round. I already seen that one. You got it backwards.
Oh.
I didn't even see it, so go ahead and put it back.
No, you did see it. Wait, turn it the
Yeah, turn it the other way. So we're playing this game where you gotta, okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn off the camera for this because it's gonna take me a while. But basically, without me looking at the answer, I'm trying to find the answer to that. What does that mean? So, anyway. Yeah, okay, I didn't see it, so I have no idea.
You see on that side?
Yeah. No, I didn't see it. So, I'm going to turn this off because this may take me a while. Alright, 2 minutes later, I'm still trying to figure this out. ID off my head. You're going to have to give me something else other than that hint.
Okay. No second.
The red ones are supposed to be the hardest.
So, you might have had your mom say this to you, or a teacher say this to you. Because she knew what you were doing, even with her back turned to you.
Eyes in the back of my head.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. That's what we're playing. That, Decodables. Cool looking clouds, man. Yeah. Well, we're just sitting out here on our balcony, and it's been kind of warm, but for the most part, it's pretty nice. And now the storm's coming up, and the clouds look really cool. I guess it kind of sucks for people that have excursions, you know. Definitely been there where excursions been rained out or it just rains. But anyway, I'm not going to complain because it's actually nice and cool out here now. Was a little warmer. Oh crap! I'm gonna break my phone. Was a little warmer, but it's a lot cooler now. It is 3:23, and I think everyone has to be back on board at 4:15 or something like that, and I'll film this. I'll do time lapse on it, and I've done it before, but to get here at Belize is a tender port, you know, where you gotta ride a boat to the shore, but you wind down this old boat channel, old ship channel, and you do all this number, and it's pretty cool. Makes for a good time lapse, you know. So we'll get that on the way out when we leave. That's that's our exciting video moment. Yes. Anyway, yeah, bags under my eyes. I just woke up from a nap. See that? Can I see it? Hang on. Yeah, a little bit. Go on super view. The super view really makes my head looks like kind of warped this way. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. But anyway. See, this is how I like to cruise. Just to relax. You know, don't really think about anything. I'm pretty much disconnected. I think we got Facebook. I check my emails, but, you know, for work. But other than that, I don't watch no news. Don't do anything like that on the outside world. You know, besides a little bit of Facebook and email. That's it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice to disconnect for a while, and all that. You think, well, like, when y'all gonna get out and do something? Well, on our back-to-back here, we got Key West next week. We have Celebration Key and Half Moon Cay in Nassau next week. So we'll definitely be doing something next week. So we've been to these ports on this leg, Cozumel, Belize, so many times. It's almost just worth just not getting off the ship. You know, it's when you do it so many times, it's like, same thing. So, you know, a lot of times we just ride the boat to the port in town, you know, on the mainland, but we didn't even do it this time. Didn't want to get out in the rain. Isn't that cool? Look, it's about to start raining here. Look. All that stuff on the bottom down there is sediment, because the ship is just trying to, you know, keep in this one place, and the thrusters will come on and they'll bring up a bunch of sediment, a bunch of dirt from the bottom, the sea bottom. It'll come up, and that's what all that is down there.